Hi, I'm Red. You're watching Pirate Garage. We're back on Tim's supercharged four-door. He likes to beat this thing up on the street, so it takes a little bit of abuse. The third gear Syncro is toasted. So we're going to swap out the third gear Syncro, and since we're in the tranny, Tim had a Quaife LSD just chilling, and we want to get this car track ready. So don't want to be breaking any diffs with those slicks. Pretty easy job. Very routine for me. I do a lot of transmissions on K-Series. I actually did one yesterday, so you know we're just gonna rip this tranny out real quick, open it up, get these parts swapped out, get this thing back on the road so Tim can go home. So take a look. Okay, so we got most of the stuff on the bottom. I like to work my way up and then go down. So I did the shift cables, slave cylinder, I pulled the intake out. Then what I do is I like to leave the lower control arms on. It just makes it easier. That ball joint is just ridiculous to take off. So I undo the lower control arms, undo the axles, both sides, undo the sway bar, both sides. I get underneath, pop the front and rear motor mounts, take the brackets for the sway bar, and then drop the subframe. So that's where we're at right now. I'm going to drain the transmission, pull the axles out, and put a jack stand underneath the motor so it can hold it up, and then the tranny's coming out. So that's how I usually do it, with quickness. So keep watching, we're gonna get this thing out. Check it out, Tim. She's free. So put the jack. Ooh, there we go.
Like butter.
Alright, there's a little wire right here. There we go.
She's on the floor with the quickness.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. Yeah. About 25 minutes. Not too bad. So, I'm gonna crack this thing. Let's see how bad Tim will foobar this tranny. But we got the LSD right here. We got a nice new Syncro we're gonna throw in there. Hopefully get this thing dialed in legit. Well, Tim, looks like you extra foobarred this tranny. Look at that. Very common issue with these OEM LSDs. Wow, super disgusting, dude. I am super disappointed. Yeah, we thought we were just gonna be like, oh, let's do an upgrade. Let's put that Quaife you got. Wow.
I had no choice.
Yeah, now you got no choice. Oh my God, super disappointing, dude.
I thought I was gonna get some cash back from slanging that.
I know, huh? There we go.
Oh,
There,
it works.
good as new.
Put it back in.
Good as new.
Put it back together.
Oh my God, that sucks, dude. Oh well.
It's life.
Yep. Race car life. Race car, street car. Okay. Let's get this gear stack out. Get this third gear. Yeah, it ran fine, right, Tim?
Yeah.
It ran good. I mean, it was only just grinding the third gear, so I didn't see why it would have any other issues. yeah. Oops.
Right here.
Well, there's two.
Yeah. And over here. By the grinder handle.
Alright, here we go. Ugh. Dropping stuff over here. Oh yeah, this thing is done. There we go. Oof. Yeah. Yeah, this Syncro's done. Look at this. See? Absolutely zero friction. So if you put this one on there, see? There's a gap and there's a lot of friction. And this bearing is also toasted. Let's see, what about fourth gear? Fourth gear looks good. Okay. Yeah, we need to slap another. Hey, did you find that piece, Tim?
I was looking for it. I couldn't find any.
Okay.
We'll look some more.
Well, super disappointing. Yeah, I gotta pop that out. Okay, well we're gonna go look around for a few parts and then we'll get this thing going back together. Alright, we got this bad boy all put together. Third, fourth feels pretty good. We won't know until we drive it. Fifth, sixth. There we go. We got the new used Quaife LSD in there. No more broken bullshit. So, get this bad boy thrown in. Tim can go home. So as you can see, guys, we're fixing one problem, and we found a second one, a lot worse. So we got Tim's new old Quaife diff, which you've had for probably at least 10 years. So back in his daily, and we got the new third gear Syncro. Got some new oil in it, everything. Usually when I do these jobs alone, I do them a lot. It doesn't take me too long, but with Tim's help today, we pulled the transmission, we took the tranny apart, swapped out the diff, swapped out the third gear, put the tranny back together, put it in, 2 hours. So we did pretty good. So we'll keep you guys updated on how the car's running. We plan to take it back to the dyno, get some more dyno numbers going with the nice new exhaust. So hit subscribe and like, hit for notifications so you guys can see our updates, and I'll see you guys soon.